In this video, we're going to compare two popular countertop ovens, the Toshiba 7-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven Air Fryer Combo and the Fabuletta 10-in-1 Countertop Convection Oven. We'll be evaluating these products based on several categories to help you make an informed decision. The Toshiba 7-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven Air Fryer Combo comes in at $399, while the Fabuletta 10-in-1 Countertop Convection Oven is priced at $129. While the Toshiba is more expensive, it does offer more features and functions. However, the Fabuletta oven is definitely the more affordable option. When it comes to versatility, the Toshiba 7-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven Air Fryer Combo is hard to beat. It can function as a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, broiler, defroster, combi cook, and humidity sensor. On the other hand, the Fabuletta oven only offers 10 preset functions. For this category, the Toshiba is the clear winner. Both of these countertop ovens offer air fryer technology, but the Toshiba 7-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven Air Fryer Combo takes it to the next level with 360 degrees heat circulation air fry, which cuts down on calories and delivers crispier and golden fried food. The Fabuletta oven also has air fry technology, but doesn't come with the 360 degrees heat circulation feature. In this category, the Toshiba oven wins. The Fabuletta oven is capable of cooking up to 9 slices of bread or a 12 inches pizza, while the Toshiba oven can accommodate larger dishes thanks to its external dimensions of 20.6 inches W x 16.3 inches D 18.7 inches with handle, x 11.8 inches H with 12.4 turntable clearance. 1 inch on rear and 3 inches each side and top at least. In this category, the Toshiba oven wins for its larger capacity, but it's worth noting that the Fabuletta oven takes up only 50% less space when storing it against your backsplash. Both ovens offer excellent cooking performance thanks to their powerful heating elements. The Toshiba 7-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven Air Fryer Combo is particularly impressive because of its inverter technology, which allows for more uniform distribution of heat in the cavity. However, the Fabuletta oven can cook up to 50% faster than a traditional oven, thanks to its 1800 W power and 4 heating elements. In this category, it's a tie as it depends on your specific needs. In conclusion, while both countertop ovens have their pros and cons, the Toshiba 7-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven Air Fryer Combo is more versatile, has 360 degrees heat circulation air fry and larger capacity. On the other hand, the Fabuletta oven is more affordable and cooks up to 50% faster. It ultimately depends on what features are important to you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews.